Hey everyone, if you want to join live interactive classes, please follow the links which I have provided in the description of this video. Okay, so welcome to Sanketik live classes. Today, in this class, we are going to discuss about introduction of Python. Introduction of Python. Okay, so in before proceeding into today's session, let's have an overview of our course content. Then we will go for introduction. Okay, so I'm going to display the course content of Python. Uh, this is the course content of Python. What is Python? Who and when it was invented, and when it was available to the public, and what is the current version of Python? Why Python? I mean, we are having different kinds of other programming languages like Java, .NET, any other languages, right? But why we are preferring Python? What are the job opportunities, installation, flavors, type of which type of language, features, writing small programs in the initial days. Okay, limitations, language fundamentals, Python language fundamentals. Okay, we are having different kinds of course content. Okay, we will go one by one. Okay, so before proceeding into this one, first of all, uh, we have to discuss about who are eligible for this course. Who are eligible for this course? First of all, I want to write the our class name. It's a Python class, right? Python introduction. Okay, so in Python introduction, first we have to know about who are eligible for this course, or for whom this course is designed for whom this course is designed for. So here this course is designed for IT, students or employees. IT students or employees, not or students and employees. Student and employees. Okay, and also non-IT students and employees who are coming from non-IT background, right? Some of them are coming from non-IT background, so they are also eligible for this course. Students or employees, not or and. Okay, so why I have written this line? Because so actually most of them thought that these programs or software courses are designed for only IT students. But nowadays, most of them, because of the demand in the market of the software journey, uh, most of them are migrating or uh, coming to IT. Okay, who are working on all non-IT, or who are having who don't have knowledge on IT, else they are coming to IT because of its demand. So here, first of all, as we know, IT students most welcome to this course. Okay, because mostly they are having some in good knowledge or at least basic level knowledge on IT. So obviously they are eligible. And employees means who are already working on IT or non-IT. So why the non-IT employees are migrate wants to migrate to the IT course is because of some salary or work from home, and also who are interested to your work on system works, okay, and the growth of this software industry. Okay, each one is having different kinds of their reasons. Okay, so and they non-IT students or employees also wants to come to IT. And here the interesting thing is who are working on IT, means IT employees who are already working on IT, they are also eligible for this course. Okay, what I said, the employees who are already working on Python, they can also join this course. Why? They are already working on Python, then why they have to join this course? Because um, why? Because actually they who are working on Python, they learned this course all previously. Okay, let's do it may be a 1 year back or 2 years back or 3 years back, 4 years back. Okay, they are working in some kind of tasks on Python. Okay, so they know about their task only, because actually in Python we are having different kinds of jobs. Okay, different kinds of opportunities and different kinds of modules, libraries, which we are going to discuss in our upcoming sessions. Okay, each one has his own work. Okay, different kinds of work. So if we take one example, one real-time example, then we can easily understand this one. Okay, so if you take one IT company, okay, if you take one IT company as example. Okay, so who are in that IT company, some watchman is also working, and floor cleaners are also working, and managers are working, team leads are working. Okay, everyone are working. Okay, they are working already on IT company. Some of them are watchmen, some of them are managers, some of them are team leads, some of them are engineers. Okay, so now the engineer wants to migrate or update their job roles and responsibilities, or they he some of the employee wants to upgrade their post to uh, engineer to manager. Okay, manager or manager to CEO. Okay, so but before going into to manager post, he has to learn some basics of who the manager post. Okay, what he has to do, what are the roles and responsibilities of that manager works. Okay, but that manager and engineer, CEO are all are working in the same company. So that that doesn't mean that everyone knows everything. Okay, um, of course the manager doesn't know about engineer roles, because he is not working on engineer role, he is not working as manager. And the is this engineer has working an engineer role, he but and he don't know about the manager roles and responsibilities. Okay, but before proceeding into migrating into the manager post, he has to learn some basics. Okay, so like that way, in Python also we are having different types of tasks. Okay, if you want to upgrade your position to manager or anything, or if you want to you upgrade your position from engineer to some senior engineer or some team lead. Okay, then you have to know the all the basics of Python. Okay, so the engineer is working in the same company and the team lead also working in the same company. But can an engineer immediately can migrate their position to team lead, and uh, can he know the all the roles and responsible stuff of team lead? No, but the team lead has he team lead knows about engineer works and responsibilities, and team what is the roles and responsibilities of himself. Okay, so like that way, before proceeding into that one, he has to know the basics of all kind of aspects. Okay, then only he can get survive. So that's why I am here. Here I had mentioned that who are working in IT company, they are also eligible for this course. Okay, and then here first of all, they everyone has some query or doubts that Python is an scripting or programming language. So shall we need to write the program road even hundreds of lines or thousands of lines? It is very difficult to for us to write hundreds of or thousands of lines. So we are unable to migrate to software industry. We are unable to work on this Python or any other software courses. So we are not eligible for this course. They may thought like that. They thought okay, but here actually every company has some different kinds of roles and responsibilities. Okay, so and every company provides different kinds of designations. For example, let me take one example. One employee is working as an tester, and one more employee is working as a developer. Okay, tester and developer. So here, tester, first of all, just for example only, I am telling. Okay, tester. Who is tester? Who test the applications? Let's say suppose who test the application. It may be a web application or a desktop application or anything. Okay, and the second thing, developer. Okay, so developer role is to who is developer? Who will who will I will explain about this after writing the defini definition. Okay, who will be creating the software or coding or developing. Okay, who will be creating the software, or who will be creating the coding, or who will developing the software, developing the. Okay, so here um who are very fair about coding, then they can also join as a tester. If you learn testing, then you can also join as a tester. So why what is the difference between this tester and a developer is, tester is to test the application and a developer is to develop the application. So if you want to develop an application, for suppose this Word document or any other document or any other application. Okay, like IBLC media player or KM player, or any antivirus. Okay, so each one has a called as an one application. So who will create that kind of applications? Developer is to create the applications. So developer has to write the code more when compared to tester. Developer has to write the code more. Okay, of course he is having some extra benefits like hike from salary or high salary. Okay, so but who wants to write less code? who are fear about writing the thousands of code, hundreds or thousands of code, then they can choose tester role. Okay, tester, what he will do is, whatever the developer will develop the application, he used to test the application. Okay, so he doesn't write the code like a developer. Okay, he doesn't write the code like a developer. Developer has to write the code, even sometimes hundreds or thousands of lines. Okay, so here I am going to show you uh, who will, sorry, who will write uh, more code, either developer or tester. So see here, work environment. Developer often work in a more isolated environment, focusing intensely on writing code. Tester work in a more collaborative environment, interacting with the developers, project managers, and sometimes clients to understand the requirements and reports. So okay, so here it can clearly, we can understand that developer write more code when compared to tester. Okay, when compared to tester, developer will write the more code. So if you want to yeah, if you want to write less code, or and if you have any fear about coding, then you can choose testing role. Okay, and next, what are the other programming or other courses we can learn with this Python course? So so that we get hired. So here, and before moving into that point, let's discuss about first what why we have chosen Python. We are having different kinds of programming languages, right? Java, C Sharp, .NET, okay, Ruby or R, Perl. Okay, we are having different kinds of programming or scripting languages. Then why we have chosen Python? Because Python has less code, and Python is an demanding programming language. It is the first demand programming language. So see here, I'm going to show you top programming languages. See here, in 2025, top programming language include Python. Python has the first priority. It is having a lot of job opportunities also. So see here, what are the job opportunities we are having on Python? Let's open Naukri. Now I am going to open a portal, a job portal. Let's see what are the demand for Python. Okay. In other countries, they may have different kinds of portals. Okay. So see here, just I'm typing Python. Let's see what are the job opportunities they are having. So see here, how many job opportunities are there in Python. We are having 1,82,643 jobs total. 1,82,643 jobs. Okay, it may increase in future. Okay, so as of now, we are having these many jobs. Okay, some top companies are also hiring these Python engineers or Python software developers. Infosys, Tech Systems. Okay, some of the major companies are also hiring S&P Global, okay, and Wipro, Evoke Technologies. Okay, most of the companies are hiring Python developers. And what are the Job roles we are having on Python. So we are having Python software developer job role, senior Python developer, okay, it's an internship, senior GPU verification engineer, Python ETL developer, Python developer. Okay, most of them are in developer. Okay, Python software developer. So most of them are in development side. Okay, and we are having some testing type of jobs also. So here, let's see SDET Python automation testing. How many jobs we are having? 1,45,361 jobs on testing. Okay, SDET. What is SDET? Software development engineer in test. Software development engineer in test. Okay. So these are the different kinds of testing roles. Okay. We are having on Python. So here SDET automation tester Python automotive staff specialist embedded or firmware Python. Okay. So we are having different kinds of job roles. Entity data, it's a product based company, right? Yeah. So here we are having different kinds of jobs. Okay. So the reason behind we learning Python is we are having more job opportunities and it is an easy programming language. So I want to show that also. Easy programming language. Sorry. So here for beginners, Python is a very easy programming language. We can easily learn when compared to other languages. We can learn Python very easily. Okay. And so we can learn Python. And here I have to mention one more point. So uh, shall we? Is it is it the only language to get a job in software industry? No, we can also learn some other skills also. We can learn some other skills also. Why we need to learn other skills? Okay, why we have to learn other skills with the Python is uh, if you are good at Python or if you have good or advanced level knowledge in Python, then Python is okay. Okay, you don't need to learn any other programming or scripting languages. But if you are having only basic level knowledge, okay, if you are having very basic level knowledge, then we need to learn other language also. Okay. Why we need to learn? Because if you want some of the other friends or any other candidates went for an interview. Okay, in that interview they want they are hiring for some software developer role. So you had mentioned some Python plus SQL or some Python plus Linux or any other languages. Okay, and the other candidate has mentioned only Python. Other candidate had mentioned only Python. Okay, and both are having the knowledge of basic level. Okay, both are having the knowledge of a very basic level. Then whom they will hire, the company whom it will hire uh, obviously you only. Okay, obviously you only. Why? Because you are both are having good basic level knowledge on Python, but you are having some additional skill like SQL or Linux. Then obviously it will take you only. Okay, otherwise if you learn if you have knowledge basic level knowledge in Python plus SQL, but the other candidate having only Python and but he is having advanced levels knowledge. Okay, advanced skill set or advanced level knowledge in Python, then company whom it will hire, it will hire other candidate only because he having advanced level of knowledge. He is having only one knowledge. He know about only one language, but he is having advanced level knowledge. That's why it is going to hire that person. Okay, so here um but you are also want to go for advanced level knowledge in Python. Okay, advanced level knowledge in Python. So is it possible to for a beginner to learn advanced level knowledge in the initial days? No? Is it possible to learn advanced level knowledge in Python? No, it's not an easy thing. Um, you have to you need more practice, then only you will get a advanced level knowledge on Python. Advanced level knowledge on Python. Okay, so but in the initial days as a beginner you will get only basic level knowledge. So if you are having basic level knowledge, then you need to learn some additional skills also, so that you will get your profile get shortlisted and you will go you are going to hire. Okay, you may get hired. Okay, so what are the other skills you can learn with this course? I'm going to mention here. So first of all, Python plus SQL or Linux or uh, automation testing or manual testing or API testing or Java or any other thing. So we are having different kinds of so many languages. Okay, most of them are I had mentioned here. So who wants to go for easy software job? Then you can choose testing profile. Okay, otherwise you can go for developer roles like full stack development. Okay, or Python developer, front end developer, backend developer, Django, Flask. Okay, you can learn anything as your wish. It depends upon your interest. Okay, so but for basic level, who wants to go for with minimal coding, then you can go for this kind of roles. Okay, this kind of profiles. Okay, so and here after mentioning the Python, I had mentioned here SQL. Okay, so why I had mentioned SQL here? Because we can switch here. What is the best query language? SQL can be called as an query language. So other programming languages are called as an programming language, but SQL is called as an query language. So we can search here best query language. So here, first of all, SQL. SQL is a best query. It is widely considered as the most popular and foundational query language for relational databases. I will tell you about these relational database tables and all in our upcoming sessions or in our SQL course. Okay, so I am also taking the class on SQL, Linux, automation testing, manual testing, API testing. Okay, I can handle all these, and all the demo classes are um, I had uploaded in the same channel. Okay, in the same channel. Okay, you can search and you can watch the our demo sessions. Okay, if you want to join our live interactive sessions, then please follow the links, and I had mentioned the mobile number also. You can contact and join from them. Okay, uh, so here SQL, Linux, automation testing, manual testing. These are the some of the roles you can learn with the Python. Okay, and one similarity is there between this Python and Linux. Okay, what is that similarity is, see here, I am going to show you. It is both Python and Linux are open source. Both Python and Linux are open source. What is that open source? Open source means, if you want to install the programming language, or if you want to install the Python, then you don't need to go for registration, or you need to go buy the license for that. And the same for Linux also, we don't need to buy license, we don't need to pay any single rupee for installing Linux or Python. And you can edit the source code according to your requirement. That's why it is the Linux and Python has different kinds of it's a flavors. It's a flavors, like ice cream has different kinds of flavors like vanilla, strawberry, like that. Linux and Python are also having some flavors. So with that vanilla, strawberry, or anything are also called as an ice creams only, but those are different flavors. So in the Python also, we are Python and Linux also, we are having different flavors, like an ice cream have. Okay, so here I'm going to show you the top open source uh, okay, open source programming languages. So here JavaScript, Python is an open source programming language. So here, and also top open source operating system. See here, Linux. Linux is the best open source operating system, and these Debian, Fedora are the flavors of Linux kernel. These are the flavors of that Linux. That's why I had mentioned here. Where okay, and for learning automation testing, we can go for Python or Java. But who wants when compared to Java, Python is an easy. Okay, Python is an easy. So here I'm going to tell which of these are is which one is easy. Either just for understanding purpose only, I'm take yeah uh, just for understanding purpose only, I'm typing the keywords only without going for grammatical or mistakes. So here, so when compared to Java, Python is easy. Okay, so for if you want to do automation testing, then also you can choose this Python. Okay, Python plus automation testing is the best combination, and we can also go for Python. Wherever you are going to use this Java, you can use Python also. Most of them only some of them are not available, but remaining aspects, Python will support all the all other platforms. Okay, all other domains also. Okay, next, and the reason I'm going to list the reasons for choosing the Python. First of all, it requires less coding, and the second reason, lot of job opportunities. I had already shown to you a lot of job opportunities. Lot of job opportunities. And then what is the future of Python? What is the future of, okay, we are learning Python, is it having any bright future? Yes, of course. Actually, when it was introduced, it was introduced in 1989. and available to public from 1991. I will show you the exact dates also. But as of now, just remember. So from if it is having if it doesn't have any feature, then how it is, why we are learning now? Actually, it was available to public from 1991. So from 1991 to 2025, not only 2025, in upcoming 2026 to 2027, we can learn in Python. So it was introduced in 1918, but now we are learning because it has some bright feature. That's why we are learning, and the we can understand this by reading a simple line. So here I'm going to write that one. uh, as long as software is there, there will be Python. Okay, there will be, as long as software is there, there will be Python. There is no doubt about it. Okay, next, some of them are having still doubts that we don't know coding. Okay, we don't know about IT. Shall we can join? Yes, you can. Who? Because I am going to tell everything from scratch. If you and this Python language doesn't need any prerequisites. Prerequisites in the sense, you don't, no need to have the C language basics or Java language basics or anything. If you don't know anything also, I'm going to tell from scratch. I'm going to tell from the beginner, and this course is a beginner friendly. Okay, experts can easily understand this one, and this course is also designed for beginner, so it is a beginner friendly course. Who don't know? Who don't know coding? Also they can join. Next, who don't know about IT? Most of them are coming from non-IT backgrounds also. Who don't know about IT? Also they can learn this course. One minute guys, just give me a minute. Okay, so sorry for an inconvenience. They can learn. Next, uh, so what exactly I need so that I am hired? So for getting a job, what I exactly need? I'm going to write here what exactly I need. So I am hired. So first of all, you have to consider in my teaching class, or you have to consider in our class. teaching in the class. You have to concentrate on the subject. Okay. Next, second thing, confidence. You have to, must and should you have to be very confident on what you know. If you know, you can tell. If you don't know, you can say that I don't know. Don't cover that too. If you don't know, also I know everything. I can tell. Okay, like don't say like that. Okay, whatever you know, you have to know that I know this. Okay, and if you don't know anything, then you can say that I don't know. No, you can't say like that. You can, if you don't know anything, then you have to say like I didn't get the opportunity. Okay, I didn't get the opportunity to work on that, or I didn't get the opportunity to learn that. Okay, you can say like that. Next, so but you must be on confidence. Next, communication skills. Okay, communication skills. So communication skills in the sense, if you know about one particular topic, if you know about one particular topic, and you have to convey that information to your friend, okay, because your friend doesn't know about that information, but you are unable to communicate with that friend. Okay, for suppose, let's say one real-time example. So here uh, you and some your friend are went to some other some place. Okay, so your friend knows about only one language, uh, that is English. Okay, that is English, and you know only one French language or Dutch language. Okay, any French or Dutch language. So you have to convey some one particular information to your friend. So if you are well know about your that language, then you can explain to your friend. Otherwise, if you know about that particular topic, but you don't know about that French or Dutch language, you are unable to convey the information what you know to your friend. Okay, so here for explanation, clear communication skills are very important. Communication skills are very important to explain. Okay, to convey the information what you know. No, communication skills are very important. Okay, so yeah, before before closing the session, let's have an overview of what we have discussed in this class. So first of all, Python introduction. Who can who are able to join this course? IT students or employees, and non-IT students and employees. And who will get fear about coding or scripting, then you can also go for tester role. Okay, if you are good at coding, you can go for developer role. Um Everything depends upon situation. Sometimes actually most of the cases developer only writes the courses, but write the code. Okay, but sometimes the test also need to write the code. Okay, sometimes developer may write less code. Okay, it depends upon situation, but most of the things developer only write more code. Okay, and you can learn Python plus any other skill, SQL or Linux or automation testing. I had already shown you why we have to learn these other courses or skills. Okay, and Python requires less coding when compared to Java, and we are having a lot of job opportunities. I have already shown. Okay, these are the job opportunities we are having. So many job opportunities we are having. And as long as software there will be a Python. So there is no doubt about Python because it was introduced in it came into picture in 1989, but now we are using. Okay, and who don't know about coding and who don't know about IT, also they can join and learn. And what exactly you need to get a job teaching in the class. Whatever I'm teaching in the class, you have to concentrate on the subject, and you have to be very confident on what you have know. If you don't know, then you have to say that I didn't get the opportunity to work on that. I didn't get the opportunity to learn that. And then communication, whatever the information you know, if you want to convey that same kind of information to others, then you have to be more, you have good at you have to be good at communication skills. Okay. And if you have any doubts regarding this session or any upcoming sessions, then please comment below. Okay. And for if you found if you know that this video is helpful for you, and if you like the class content, smash that like button. And want to stay updated with our latest content, hit subscribe. Got any questions or doubts, drop them in the comments. We are here to help. Okay. And know someone who's struggling to kickstart their IT career, share this video and make a difference. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class.